In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do weighted ankle inversion. So firstly, what is inversion? Well, inversion is to point the ankle into the midline of the body. So if my midline of the body is here, I'm bringing the ankle in. That's the movement of inversion. So what I'm going to be doing is using an ankle weight that I've popped around the bottom of my foot. I'm going to be side lying and I'm going to come into inversion and work the inversion with the weight that I've got strapped around the bottom of my foot. So what foot that you've got this on, whether it's right or left, is the same side that you're going to lay on. So for example, I've got this strapped around my left foot, so I'm going to be laying on my left side. I'm going to bring my right side out the way. And now what I'm going to do is, remember we spoke about inversion coming in to the midline of the body. So again, the midline of my body's here. I'm going to bring this up because I'm bringing it in towards the midline of my body. So all I'm going to do here is start just by using the ankle, pointing up, slowly coming back down. Pointing up, slowly coming back down. So I'm bringing the ankle in and slowly controlling it on the eccentric lowering phase. Now what we don't want to do is start moving the hips to start cheating during the motion. So make sure all the movement is coming from that ankle joint and you're not kind of cheating, starting to roll with the hips as you're doing your repetitions. You would repeat this for your desired amount of reps and sets on one side and then do exactly the same on the other side.